I think one of the most astounding things that people need to be aware of is that with generic drugs, they are not allowed to go and change their label when new problems arise. They have to wait for the name brand drug to do that. Then they're allowed only to change their label to reflect what the name brand has done. And in a lot of cases, the name brand is no longer on the market. So what happens then?
Well, the name brand drug no longer has an incentive. As a general rule, after generics come on the market and take a major portion of the market share, the brand name drug has no incentive to come in and spend a lot of money to go through the CBE process or to go through any process to issue new warnings. So the result is, with this ruling, there are no warnings. There are no changes in warnings. There are no taking of the defective drugs off the market. And drugs can be on the market for 40 and 50 years and still be found to be dangerous. For example, Phenergan was approved by the FDA in '51. 53 years later, in 2004, it was black boxed. Reglan was approved in '79. 30 years later, in 2009, black box warning. Darvon and Darvocet approved in '57, and in 2010, 53 years later, black box warning. Prozac, which is still on the market, was approved in '87, black boxed in 2004. So, I mean, the fact that it's been on the market a long time doesn't mean that it's got a safety history, because it doesn't.